There's like a hair somewhere in my face. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today we have another Dolls Kill Pastel Gothy haul. It's not like a ton of things because I'm running out of money, but it's a couple of like pricier items and some accessories. Before we dive in, I want to ask you very nicely and kindly and gently to subscribe if you want to see some more, you know, weird fashions. If you like alternative fashion, sarcasm, a sprinkling of Japan, some gothy vibes, all around nerd stuff, subscribe. Follow me on social media at _BarbiePunk on Twitter, Instagram. I don't really do the twats too much. I don't really know what it's about. Help me, I'm old. How do I do it? What do I do? But yeah, let's dive in. We're gonna save the best things for last. Honestly, I did my makeup today for this haul. We're gonna start with the accessories that I got. First off is this little 12 pack of star clips. I'm gonna take it out of this so you can actually see them. I'm an adult. So much packaging. It's these little rainbow star clips. I thought that this would be cute. What's happening? Am I missing another yellow? I thought that these would be cute if I wanted to do like a kawaii look or something like that, or just in general to have. I like these stars. They're rainbow stars. They're very glittery. One thing that I'm slightly confused about is the fact that they seem to be like two of the same, but also not really. Like, we got some pinks, some blues, some oranges, some greens. Oh, what is this? A yellow and a purple? Why? And then more purples. None of these are actually the same, even though they look like they come in twos. Especially not those two. What is happening? That's fine. I thought they were cute. They're rainbow. They're stars. I think they'd be easy to just throw on in my hair wherever I feel like. The next thing I got is this little chain. It is like meant to hang off of your pants. So we have two little clippies here on either side so that you can dangle them off of things. I've actually worn this as a necklace already. I just kind of like dangled it like this. But basically it's this little pink chain, two clips on the end, and then little hearts with rhinestones on them. And pink is my favorite color. Hearts are my favorite shape. Rhinestones are my favorite stones. Probably not. Basically, I just use this however I feel like using this. If I want to put it like this, you know, and just clippy it on. If I want to dangle it from some pants, you can do that. If I want it to be like a weird, you know, fine, do that too. Just dangle it wherever you can clip it, you can dangle it. The only problem I have is that these little hearts like to just turn around on me. Oh, But I bought this because it was cheap and I thought that it would just add some fun little flavor to whatever outfits I feel like adding it to. This and the stars, I don't know if they have like a brand. They might just be from like Dolls Kill. The final accessory that I got is just this little choker that says witch, because I'm a witch. There it is. Just has like a buckle closure in the back. Again, I don't know where this is from, but I think that this was on sale and I was very excited to get it. So I'm just gonna wear this with all my little witchy looks. Bum bum bum. For the clothes, this is by Signature 8. I bought these separately, but they are a set. Let me just rebuckle it. I was literally already wearing this. I did a photo shoot in this like moments ago. Bought these separately. I actually bought the skirt in a size large because my booty don't fit in things. And I bought this in a size medium because it's meant to be like a really oversized fit. It's actually still really oversized on me, so do with that what you will. But let's talk about the jacket first. In person, it's more of like a minty green. On camera, it's kind of like tealy, but I did my makeup for this because I have like teal underneath my eyes and pink on top of my eyes. Anyway, so it's this like bubblegum pink and mint green houndstooth, all over houndstooth denim jacket. It's kind of like a cropped fit. It's not like super long. Maybe it's just like regular, if not slightly cropped. It's meant to be an oversized fit. You'll see that the sleeves here come like a little wider at the armhole there. Here it is. Has this little pocket. Is that a real pocket? It looks like a real pocket. Yeah, that's a real pocket. Put your gushers in there. I don't know. What do people eat? Put some snacks in there. Perhaps a hamster. I don't know how you live your life. So yeah, this jacket is super cool. But I would not have bought it if it didn't have this matching skirt. So exact same, you know, minty sort of green, bubblegum pink. It has a matching belt, same exact print. It's just this little mini skirt. Look at it. Again, pockets, more gushers. How many gushers could you keep in here? 4. Oh, you know what? I don't know if you could fit a whole packet in this one. Just like a couple extra. I feel like gushers would be the worst thing to carry around in a pocket, like unwrapped, because they would just gush. I don't know. This is your fault. You're enabling this by subscribing and commenting. So, this is your fault. You're welcome. Subscribe. I don't know what to do with it. It's too exciting to me. As soon as I got it, I needed to like figure out a look around it. I decided to go for a pastel goth look with this, but I could easily just make this like just 100% kawaii. And finally, I said it in my goth video that because I have that bubblegum pink pair of Demonias that don't go with my full goth looks, I needed to get a pair of black Demonias. So that's what I've done. These are the Lovestruck Trinity boots by Demonia. I was already in the market for the black version of these. And then, as we mentioned earlier, my favorite shape, it's hearts. What? The buckles are all hearts. So I needed to get these. These are actually shorter height-wise, not like platform-wise. Shorter on the leg than my other Demonia boots, but I think I like that a little better for me personally because at a certain point my calf gets too big to fit in these boots. Just this very top buckle here, I've already had to widen it a little bit, and I had to do that with like the full boot on my pink Demonias. So I kind of like this height a little bit better for me personally. So these go up to just about like mid calf. They have quite a large platform right here. A good like 6 inches here, 5-6 inches, 3-4 inches, something like that. There is a zip in the back for easy closure, but along the front, instead of zips or anything like that, we have just buckles. So these buckle on either side. You can easily adjust them to fit the size of your leg, calf, whatever, which is kind of what I talked about with my pink bubblegum ones. And then the front here, they usually have these in just little like rectangles, these little like riveted metallic pieces, but And these ones, they're hearts. Walking wise, they're pretty normal for giant platform shoes. Like, they are heavy, but it's not like it's a giant heel and it's like really uncomfortable on your actual foot. It's just like you gotta get used to picking up your feet in a certain way to stomp around in these. But I think that they're really cool. I saw recently that they came out with like a holographic purple as well as a glittery pink version of these, and it's taking everything inside of me not to buy those as well. So that's it for this haul, you guys. Hopefully you liked it. I have some Killstar items coming as well. Whenever I do my makeup, I'm like, oh, you know what? You should film. You should film. You have a face of makeup on. Better take advantage of it. What is this voice? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see coming up here. I've had a couple comments about my pastel gothiness. On Instagram, my pastel goth looks tend to get the most likes and comments, and so I was thinking about doing like a all about how to pastel goth video, kind of talking about like where I get my things, how I pair my things, what I like to like splurge on, how I put my looks together, that sort of thing. So if that's a video you'd be interested in seeing, let me know down below. And as always, if you have any other thoughts that you're like, ooh, that's something that I've seen you kind of talk about that I really want to know more about, let me know. I'll try to either reply to you in the comments or make a full-on video about it if it's something that I have enough to talk about. But that's all. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.